High blood sugar is the silent epidemic. Millions are affected by high blood sugar, insulin resistance, and diabetes without noticeable symptoms. Alarming statistics reveal that 25 to 30% of diabetics are undiagnosed, and 85 to 90% of prediabetics are unaware. In this video, we'll uncover most common silent signs your body might be sending you. One of the earliest indicators of high blood sugar is weight gain. Let's begin with this common symptom. Gaining weight can often be an early indicator of elevated blood sugar levels. If you're noticing weight gain primarily around your midsection, it could be a sign of insulin resistance. When your blood sugar is high, your cells become resistant to insulin, and glucose is stored as fat, particularly around the abdomen. Now, let's move on to another important indicator of high blood sugar. When blood sugar levels are too high, your body tries to eliminate the excess sugar through urine. This process forces your kidneys to work overtime, leading to frequent urination. As you lose more fluids, your body becomes dehydrated, triggering excessive thirst to compensate. These are classic signs of high blood sugar. Recognizing these symptoms early can help you take the necessary steps to manage your blood sugar levels effectively. Blurry vision is a warning sign you should never overlook. High blood sugar can cause the lenses in your eyes to swell, leading to temporary blurry vision. If left unchecked, it can damage the tiny blood vessels in the retina, causing diabetic retinopathy. Understanding these signs can help you take proactive steps to manage your health. Slow wound healing is a critical sign your body might be struggling. It's not just a minor inconvenience. It can indicate underlying issues like high blood sugar or poor circulation. When even small cuts or injuries take longer than usual to heal, it's your body signaling that something isn't right. Don't ignore this symptom. It's a clue that could help you address a deeper health concern before it escalates. Now let's turn our attention to another key indicator of high blood sugar. High blood sugar can lead to serious dental problems. High blood sugar creates a breeding ground for bacteria in your mouth, increasing your risk for gum disease, cavities, and plaque buildup. But the impact of high blood sugar doesn't stop there. Now let's explore another sign to watch for. High blood sugar can lead to noticeable changes in your skin, often serving as early warning signs of underlying health issues like diabetes. Common skin conditions include dark patches, acanthosis nigricans. These velvety, darkened areas typically appear on the neck, armpits, or groin and may indicate insulin resistance. High blood sugar reduces skin hydration, causing dryness and persistent itching. Also, high blood sugar can damage collagen and elastin, leading to dryness, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Understanding these skin changes can help in early detection and management of high blood sugar. Now let's explore how high blood sugar affects your nerves. High blood sugar can harm the small blood vessels that supply nutrients to your nerves, leading to a condition called neuropathy. This nerve damage occurs when persistently high glucose levels affect the nerves, particularly in the hands, feet, and legs. Prolonged high glucose levels disrupt the normal function of nerves, leading to symptoms like tingling, pain, or numbness, especially in the extremities. Now let's explore how to manage high blood sugar, like a pro. High blood sugar is often called a silent killer because many people don't experience symptoms until significant damage has occurred. Reducing sugar and carbohydrates in your diet can normalize blood sugar and insulin levels. A simple blood sugar test or an A1C check can reveal your risk level. Take charge of your health today. You're worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to take charge of your health. See you in the next video.